Welcome back, everyone. For the last section of this Next.js series, we're going to take a look at authentication in Next.js. First, we're going to understand what exactly does authentication entail when it comes to Next.js. After that, we will take a look at the Next.auth library, which at the moment is probably the best way to handle authentication in a Next.js application. There are various ways to authenticate, but for our example, we will take a look at authenticating with just GitHub. You should be able to use that knowledge to work with other providers like Gmail, Facebook, or even email authentication with your credentials. We will also see how to handle sign in, sign out, and securing the application. Last but not the least, we will see how to work with a database like MongoDB as part of authenticating our application. Alright, with this intro in mind, let's understand what do we mean by authenticating in a Next.js application.